The VersaLink B7025, 30, and 35 products share a common print engine, DADF, and scanner. The only difference is print speed, which is established by the dongle used during installation. The ESS-PWB receives code from the dongle to set the print speed, supply plan, and billing impression mode. This board performs image processing and controller functions and includes a standard SD card and optional hard disk drive. A socketed serial EEPROM located beneath the HDD bracket stores the machine's NVM settings. The drive PWB controls the print engine, providing power and drive signals to most of the motors, sensors, clutches, and solenoids, plus assemblies including the HVPS, fuser, drum cartridge, and toner crumb. Located behind this panel are the interfaces for the media tray assemblies and optional finishers. AC power connects to a ground fault interrupter breaker. An additional receptacle supplies power for the optional Office Finisher LX. The LVPS generates +5 and +24 volts DC operating voltages to power the system. The main power switch is located behind the front door, along with the front cover interlock switch. Look behind the left cover to locate the other interlock switch. Behind the LVPS are the HVPS that generates voltages for the xerographic process, the dispenser pipe assembly for toner distribution, and the main drive assembly. The main motor drives the takeaway roll, registration roll, and fuser, while the drum motor drives the drum cartridge, bypass tray, and duplex rolls. A gear on tray 1 controls the tray's lift plate. That gear provides an interface to the tray 1 feeder assembly, which contains the tray 1 feed, lift motor, as well as the feed roll, nudger roll, and retard roll. Note the location of the tray 1 size sensor on the rear frame. Open the left door to locate the remaining paper feed components, including the takeaway roll and registration roll. The OPC drum is part of the drum cartridge and needs to be protected from exposure to light. This assembly contains a crumb for life tracking, plus the ATC sensor for controlling the toner density. Located directly behind the drum cartridge is the printhead assembly, or LPH. Just above the LPH is the fuser, which contains a belt, heat roll, and the exit roll. Components on the door include the bias transfer roll and duplex system. The Exit 1 OCT assembly, visible from the rear of the printer, feeds paper from the fuser to the output tray. The Exit 2 transport assembly routes paper to the upper output when the center tray is installed, and positions the diverter gate to feed paper into the duplex path for two-sided jobs.